A relative clause can be used to give additional information about a noun. Relative clauses are clauses starting with the relative pronouns who, that, which, whose, where and who.
The girl who lives next door has got a puppy.
Who is used for people. It can substitute subject nouns or pronouns he, she, we, they.
My science teacher is a lady whom I like very much.
Who is used for people. It can substitute object nouns or pronouns him, her, us, them.
There's a boy in my class whose father is a professional baseball player.
Whose is used for people. It can substitute possessive nouns or pronouns his, hers, our, their.
The car which is blue is mine.
Which is used for things. It can either be subject or object.
The letter that she sent me was so emotional.
That is used for people or things. It can either be subject or object.
This is the house where I used to live as a child.
Where is used to define or give extra information about a place.